I don't know if I'll be able to do justice to this color because I've never ever tried this color for an eye makeup look. But I'm still going to try it. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? My name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on board. During the weekend, I added a poll on my YouTube channel whether I should create an eye look with yellow or purple, and the number of votes for this color were amazing. No one voted for yellow. Everyone wanted to see purple. So I am going to try and attempt to create a purple eye look today, and I'm going to get over my fear of using purple. Now, let's start the video. So first things first, eyebrows. So I'm using this angled brush today. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I have shown this eyeshadow base so many times on my shorts feed that I wanted to actually share it in my video as well, in case you have missed it. So what I usually do is, this was a color corrector which was peach in color, but it was too light for me. It wasn't actually my sort of peach. It looked more white on me than peach. So what I do with this is I use this as an eyeshadow base. I actually have darkness on this side of my eyes, the inner corner. So what this color corrector does, it actually covers the darkness and it sets a very nice base for the next step, that is the concealer. If you have darkness like I do over the eyelids, then do try this. The color corrector and the concealer combo works like a magic. Can you see? The darkness of my inner corners have been covered so amazingly. Just going to set everything up now. I have two palettes which have purple in them. Plus I have this incy wincy tinsy bit of a palette. It's not a palette, it's a single eyeshadow. So what should I? Too many purple eyeshadows, too many choices, but I need to just choose. Okay. The metallics, they look exactly the same. So which one should I pick? I'll go with this one. I think I'll go with this one. Single eyeshadow cord and this purple. This looks more like purple, so this one I'm choosing. So the shades are decided. It's going to be, these are the shades I'm using for the eye look today. Starting with the lightest one on the inner corner. I have semi-hooded eyes, if you can see this. So I want to add a bit more on the top. Now the darkest shade. So far so good, right? What do I want to do with the metallic? Not exactly the center, but halfway through. Okay, with my fingers, the best part is that I can actually place and blend at the same time. Now let me just finish this side and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done. And so I'm just going to add eyeliner using this black eyeshadow. This is the quickest black eyeliner I've ever done, using this brush and a black eyeshadow. Someone who has never played with purple, I think I've done a decent job. So I'm done with the eyeshadows. Let me just finish my face makeup and then I'll be right back to tell you what blush and lipstick I'm adding with this makeup look. So I'm back. So now the under eye. I'm using the darker shade and an angled brush, something like this. What I usually do with my under eyes is that I stop the darkest shade more than halfway through, like till here. This is what I'm doing with this as well. Should I be adding metallic to the outer corner? But no, I don't want to overdo it. So I'm not going to add the purple metallic shade here. What should I do? What should I do? If we use the highlighter for the inner corner and for the remaining area, do you think it'll work? Oh, wait a second. I think I have a highlighter that is off. Wait, I'll be right back. Yes. I was right. I have it. Same brush. Looks pretty. Not bad at all. I'm using the same shade to highlight the inner corner. My brow bone. Do I add concealer? I think it'll look nice. So just add it to the outer. Okay, yeah. The last step, my favorite. Can you see how my lashes went from limp to sky high? I am using this blush and I'm currently obsessing with this blush on shade. I've been using this blush on shade off camera, on camera, with every possible look that I'm doing. Oh, it is so beautiful. This comes with a highlighter as well, but I am going to use the mauve highlighter today. This can be a bit dramatic, but it's okay, right? We like drama here. Ooh. The lip products that I'm using with this eye make the liner. Liquid lipstick. Marshmallow mousse. Placing this in the center. And I'm done. This is my final look. What are your thoughts about my look? And what do you think I could have done differently? Do write in the comments. So this is all from my side for today. If you liked my video, do share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.